you heard that news that Tinubu is going nowhere. Because of this condition, he has to sit and kill them all. What will you do about it? Brother, don't forget that we say Tinubu must go. You don't hear me? We say Tinubu must go. And you hear this. What I gonna do, bro? This turn around. Tinubu will die. So, on our way to meet Tinubu in his office.